Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 8 CBSE Maths Factorization exercise 14.2. In that third sum 9 subdivision we are going to see in this video. Let's see the question. Factorize the given expression. Here the expression is 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x. There are 4 terms. There is no common element in all the 4 terms. So, if there is no common element, it's not in the formula of any square numbers. So, what we need to do is taking 2, as it is a 4 term, taking 2 terms, we are going to take a common outside. Here in the first 2, we know that it goes in 2 tables. 2 3s are 6, here 2 2s are 4. So, the 2 is the common element in both the terms. So, take the common factor 2 outside, and the variable in the variable, we know y is there in both the terms, so y. So 2, if 2 comes out, that will be 1 3 inside, so 3. If y comes out, 1 left over is x. Write the sign as it is. Here 1 2 comes out means 2, y has come out, so no variable inside. Plus the same way, if I take common outside, here, now in both the terms we have 3 common. So taking 3 common, here 3 2s are, it is in plus means we want the bracket should be same. The rule of taking common outside in 2 terms is the bracket should be same. So let me write the bracket first, then think of the number. Already I have given 3. If I multiply this becomes 3 3s are 9x. So the term is being shifted to the last term to the first, and the before term to the last. Now the sign, here it is plus and here it is minus, means there is one minus in the question. So we need to write a minus sign here. Now check and see if there is a plus sign here. We have 3 also plus, here 3x also plus, means there will be a plus. If we multiply it becomes plus, but we want a minus. There is in the question there is a minus, means we need to write a minus. Don't write it inside because the bracket should be same, so write it outside. So I have given the minus sign outside the number. Now if you multiply and check, it becomes minus into minus, plus into minus will become minus. 3 3s are 9x. The same way we'll check with the number here. Plus into minus will become plus. 3 2s are 6. So taking minus sign outside, the brackets have become same. So write the bracket once and the rest in another bracket. So this is your final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.